Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on HCF and LCM. It says, find the greatest number that will divide 115, 149 and 183, leaving remainders 3, 5, 7 respectively. So let us see how we can solve such a question. The first thing is, this question is based on HCF because the question is talking about finding the greatest number. So in order to get the greatest number, we have to find out a number which is a factor of 115, 149 and 183. But then they are leaving the remainders 3, 5 and 7 respectively. So if I say 115 divided by a number leaves a remainder 3. Similarly, 149 divided by 5 divided by x by the same number leaves the remainder 5, and 183 divided by the same number leaves the remainder 7. So we know that the question is based on HCF and we'll be required to take the HCF. But we cannot take the HCF of 115, 149 and 183 because we are not going to get X when we take the HCF of these three numbers. So to get a common factor, we have to first remove the remainder from the given numbers. So if I remove the remainder, 115 minus 3 gives me 112. Similarly, 149 minus 5 gives me 144, and therefore 183 minus 7 gives me 176. Now these are the three numbers for which if I take the HCF gives me my value, the greatest number, that is X. So in order to determine the HCF, what we do, we quickly factorize these three numbers, 112, 144 and 176. So when I factorize these numbers, if I do a quick factorization of 112, I'll be getting 56 to 28 to 14 to 7 and 1. So this is equal to 7 to the power 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 4. Similarly, 144, if I do the factors, I know it's a square of 12, but then if I do the prime factors, I'll be getting this becomes 18, 9, 3, 3 and once again 3, we get 1. So therefore it is 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 square. And then the last number, that is 176, it gives me 88, 2 times 44 by 2 again 22 by 2 again 11 and by 11 1. So I get 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 11 to the power 1. So as we look into these three factors, we know that the common figure is only 2 raised to the power 4, and therefore 2 raised to the power 4 becomes your HCF, which is nothing but 16. So therefore 16 is the number out of which if we divide 115, 149 and 183, it will give us the remainders 3, 5 and 7. And there is no number beyond 16, and hence we can say it is the greatest number which when dividing 115, 149, 183 leaves 3, 5 and 7 as the remainders. So therefore answer to this question becomes option number 2. I hope you have understood the process. Thank you.